If you think budgets are boring, think again. Here's why the 2024 Indian budget is buzzing with excitement. This year's budget is packed with initiatives to turbocharge India's economy. Employment and skilling, Rs 2 lakh crore to empower 4.1 crore youth with jobs and skills over 5 years. MSME and Manufacturing, more credit and tech support for small businesses, plus 24 new CDBI branches. Agriculture, Rs 2.66 lakh crore for rural development and natural farming for 1 crore farmers. Infrastructure, Rs 15,000 crore for Andhra Pradesh, new airports and rental housing for industrial workers. Taxation, no new taxes, but more benefits for startups and easier tax compliance. Social welfare, over Rs 3 lakh crore for women and girls, plus extended food aid for 80 crore people. Digital tech, boosting digital infra for credit, e-commerce and corporate governance. Aviation, doubling airports to 149, adding 517 new routes and 1,000 new aircraft. This budget isn't just numbers, it's a blueprint for a Viksit Bharat. Stay tuned for more updates.